I look like I live in a bus, like a little nomad hippie. That's fine. Hey guys, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos twice a week. I've been making them a lot more though because of quarantine and just being bored. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit my notification bell to be notified every single time that I upload. Today's video is gonna be really fun. If you didn't know from my previous videos, I've kind of become obsessed with TikTok. And one of those TikTok videos was showing how to print your own picture onto t-shirts. And so today, my sister Jara and I will be doing that. So I'm just gonna take this shirt. It's literally just a regular black one. And we're gonna put something here. I haven't decided what photo I want, so that'll be the plan for today, is just picking out a picture and trying not to make it of my face. Just love having my face on things, so I told myself that this t-shirt is not gonna have my face on it, annoyingly. So yeah, let's pick a picture. Jared said I should do this picture, so so I use my Freedom Unlimited card to buy all the latest tech stuff. So just try it. Quick little insert. I definitely forgot to list everything that you guys are gonna need to make this, so here we go. So mine's already made, but you're gonna need just a regular t-shirt, if I can zoom, an iron, your photo. You're gonna need some parchment paper and saran wrap. And then when you print out your picture, so you're literally just gonna print it like you saw me doing in the first clip, and you're gonna print it, and then just make sure that you cut off the borders with your scissors, cover it in the saran wrap, and then you're all good to go. So I don't think it's terrible. I think I should have, I don't know, this bottom part's not really sticking for whatever reason. So I'm gonna try to go back over it. You guys can see like right here. Then there's just extra from the saran wrap that wasn't tucked, but ultimately I think for being made at home and not costing me anything except $1 because I had to buy the saran wrap, it ain't too shabby. Update, I look atrocious because it is so hot. Like, I didn't think sitting here with this iron for 5 minutes, or I guess maybe like 8 minutes because I went back over it, would be so hot. Like, I knew irons radiated heat, but oh, I really thought I was about to break a sweat. But I feel like I just want to drink some cold water, and I never like cold water. I prefer room temperature. Your girl is hot. However, all of that personal jazz aside, I think the shirt came out really boss. I think obviously it's my first time, so it wasn't perfect, but I think it's fun. I just kind of wanted something to try it out, and then like if it worked, maybe make some cute stuff in the future. Obviously this is not gonna hold up. Like, I wouldn't recommend washing it. Definitely not drying it because it'll probably just melt in the washer. But I think if you have a really cute event, or if your boyfriend or girlfriend's in sports and you kind of want to rep for them, this is something really cute, easy, and it took me, I would say, like no more than 10 minutes to put this whole thing together, including like the ironing portion. So I think that's such a good idea. Just a cute little DIY to show how much you love them. Or if you just kind of want something for fun to have on your own. I'm honestly probably going to go to the store and buy just like a white crew neck sweater, and then print Jerry and I's picture on it, and or Jerry Sarah and I's picture on it, and then, sorry guys, my memory card got full, so I had to just delete a little stuff. Anyway, like I said, I love it. I'm totally vibing with it. I think it's cute. I didn't think I would make something that I would wear out in public, so just going into that, I kind of just wanted to take like a shirt, a random black shirt that I had that I know that I don't wear, or something that maybe I can even just sleep in, and put the picture on. And I kind of wanted it to still be cute though, because I wanted to be able to wear it around my house just for fun. And yeah, I think it's so dope, so I'm vibing with it. Like I said, thanks guys for tuning into this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my quarantine chronicles of me figuring out ways to stay bored, and I hope that maybe if you guys try one of these, like, send it to me. I want to watch. Tag me in it if you have. Send it to me. I want to see it. I think this is so fun. I think it's so cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.